I know that this is going to sound crazy, but please listen to me. I just saw them mark your house, so we don't have much time. As long as they don't learn your scent, you'll be fine. If that happens, the smartest thing to do would be to off yourself. Trust me, that is way less painful than letting them get their hands on you. Be sure to read and do everything on the list. 1. Come outside. 2. Never read the odd numbers. If they appear on this list, try not to even look at them. I did not write them. 4. Lock your doors and windows. Cover them with sheets. 6. Do not look in the mirrors. Cover them up as soon as you finish with the windows. 8. Never look into the mirrors. If the sheet falls off of the mirror, run. 9. Invite me in. 10. If anything knocks on the door, go to a room with no windows, lock the door, and sit on the floor and cover your face. Don't come out until the next morning. 11. Let me in. 12. No matter how many times you hear something call you name, did not answer. 13. I'm in your house. 14. If you are unlucky enough to see one of them, don't make a sound. There is a small chance that Ida hasn't noticed you yet. 15. I can see you. 16. If you feel something grip you, stay perfectly still even if it doesn't feel human. Don't even breathe. Maybe it will think that you are already dead. 17. I am behind you. 18. If you make it until the next day, burn your house down. Never look back. 19. You won't make it.